Assalam O Alikum, what is up and welcome in this another tutorial. I hope you all have fun, good, cool and having chill. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you that how can you tie beautiful neck scarf, or you can say the muffler. So watch out this tutorial and one more thing, if you have not subscribed this channel, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials and vlogs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, then give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below. So till my next tutorial, Allah Hafiz.